This is the heavy-duty retractable garden hose reel. Features 100 feet of 5/8 inch hose. Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing review. I'm going to be setting up this retractable garden hose, 100 feet. Got some instructions, some styrofoam here on top. And then let's get this thing out here. It's a little heavy, but that's all right. Got a nice little handle there. There we go. Okay, so yeah, this has a nice, just winds up all 100 feet right in here. So you can just pull it out and retract it back in. I'm gonna actually set this up in my garden. All right, friends, so these holes right here, you can use the 4 screws that is provided. And if you want, just mount the bracket right on a wall. It's very easy. It comes with this template right here and these heavy duty screws. So you can just put the template on your wall next to your spigot like that. Just level it off. Put your holes right there where the screw holes are, and it'll look something like that, something similar. So very convenient to do. You can use this on a 4x4 also if you put a pressure treated post in your yard. I went with the galvanized post here and just modified it a little bit so we can see how I did that. Just pound this into the ground, make sure it was fairly level. I kind of like the galvanized pole. I didn't have to concrete or anything like that. I just pounded it about 1.5 feet, 18 inches into the ground. Had a couple of U bolts. Just stick those through around the pole and through the frame, and just secured that with a couple of nuts and washers on there. Tighten that down, and it works really good actually. I was pretty impressed with it. This is not that difficult to do. Whether you're mounting it on the siding or on a post or wherever, this thing is very easy to mount. It's not difficult at all, and it's very sturdy. Once that is done, you can just simply lift the hose reel and place it onto the bracket there. Just fits conveniently in there. I like how easy it is to do, and just slide it right into the hole here. Okay, once that is done, just connect your hoses and you're good to go. So this has 180-degree swivel room, so all the way from one side of my garden to over to my greenhouse, and it's very convenient. I like how it's off the ground too, so there's no bugs and stuff getting all over it, no snails and slugs and everything like normally you do. So this comes with a 10 faucet, 10 basically different sprays on there for this faucet. And it's really convenient, whether you're just misting your plants or hosing off your car or washing your car. Just very convenient. This thing doesn't really leak at all. I was really impressed with it too. So I can just water my garden however I want to, spray off my driveway, spray off my house. And you can see here, just walking it out to my greenhouse. This is 100 feet long, so I can reach pretty much anywhere I want in my yard, and it's very convenient. Once again, like I said, I like how it's off the ground, so there's no snails and slugs and all kinds of creepy crawlies getting all over it, and just super messy. And this is so easy to retract also. If you want to retract it, all you have to do is pull it out, and it'll just automatically stop once you're done. Once you want to retract it, simply give it a little pull until you hear a click, just one single click, and then you can just walk it back. Make sure that you have the water off. You can use that, or have the water coming out of the hose while you're doing it, so it can retract all the way. It's very convenient here. I'm watering my garden. Just walk it out. It's going to stop automatically and keep in place once you pull it out, and then just water wherever you want to water. The hose is plenty of water coming out of there. It is 100 feet and a 5/8 inch hose, so it's very convenient. It seems super durable. It wasn't getting kinked up or anything like that, so I really like that. And then just the ability to change whatever nozzle spray that I wanted. Also, it's fully adjustable too to how much water you want coming out of there, which is very convenient. I really like it on this. Now if we want to undo it and walk it back in, like I said, just pull it out. It'll do one little click, and then you can walk it back. Turn this off, and now I can go water my greenhouse. So it's as simple as that. just pulling it out and walking it wherever you want to go. This is not difficult to do either, and it is just so much more convenient than having to reel up a hose, especially like a 100-foot hose. If you ever had to do that, you know, it's not a lot of fun, usually getting all kinked up and in a snarl or a mess. So yeah, I just like the convenience of this, how easy it was to set up. It's no problem at all. Like if you did it on the wall, it's only 4 simple screws and a little pattern. So here I can water all my little peppers and my tomatoes in here. And like I said, that's fully adjustable, the amount of water with just this little flick of your thumb there. It's really convenient. So hopefully we'll get some nice strawberries or tomatoes and peppers pretty soon. And then once you're all done watering, just demonstrating the spray here a little bit too, all the different nozzles that are on there, or the different spray patterns. All right, and when we are all done, just pull it out, give it till it clicks. And you want to let the water out too, because if the hose is full of water, it might not roll back all the way. So I just make sure that I either have the spigot open a little bit or turn the spigot off and then let the water run out of the hose and then just walk it back. It's as simple as that. This is so convenient. It's so easy. I like how it just rotates all the way around. Guys, if you want to check this out, I'm going to link it in the description below. Thanks so much for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I will see you all next time out there.